From an economy perspective, I think we are reasonably well poised. In fact, India is one of the largest economies in the world, which is growing at the fastest pace, happening at a time when the rest of the economies are struggling to grow. Our corporate sector is in a reasonable health, I would say. And the reason I'm using the word reasonable is because we have had almost about 3 years of relatively low profitability growth in corporate India, but that is beginning to change now. In the current year, we expect the corporate profits to grow by about 10 to 12%. In fact, starting with the next quarter, the profitability growth is expected to be fairly good. So overall, I think corporate profitability is likely to improve from here on. Now, market per se, in terms of valuations, are not exactly at the cheapest level. In fact, they are probably trading at a little higher than their long-term averages. More so in case of mid-cap space. So overall, while the economic prospects as well as the market prospects remain bright, the valuations are slightly higher than long-term, which of course happens at a time when the market is turning a little bit from a multiple year of low profitability. Having said that, the expectation from a near-term perspective should be somewhat moderate. Over a long term, our markets have compounded investors' wealth at 15% CAGR. So overall, market outlook from a long-term perspective remains bright. Near-term, improving profitability, at the same time maybe a slight amount of valuation above the normal range. Within the market segments, I would favor the large cap at the expense of mid caps because they appear to be relatively better value at this point of time compared to the mid cap space, which has seen a serious run up. Over the last, let's say, decade, we have seen mid caps trading at about 10% discount to large cap indices. Currently, they are trading at about 50% premium over large cap indices, and therefore, from a segmentation, I would say large cap space offers better value. For our company, I would say the acquisition of Deutsche Bank's asset management business that we did last year was a transformational event for us. Post that, we are looking to aggressively build this business and would continue on the path of engaging more retail investors as well as distributors as we go along. So overall, we are poised to grow, and we believe that markets are looking reasonably healthy too.